Hello children, this is me Manjunath TM, Assistant Master. I welcome you all for YouTube class. In my previous YouTube class, I have introduced the 8th standard English prose, that is Jamaican fragment. As I told, this is the prose, this was written by A.L. Landrix. A.L. Landrix was a prolific writer, is a Jamaican citizen. He has written some information that, as I told, here he was a writer, as I told, broadcast director, then he became a managing director of telecast department. So he was a West Indian writer. He carried out the flavor of Caribbean literature. He is a famous magazine called, that is Focus. So here in this prose, the Jamaican fragment, it brings out a prejudiced mind that can almost every person who suffer from when it comes to an dominantial issues like color, caste and class. As I have written in my previous class here, color, the caste and class. So here, A.L. Landrix's full name, as I told, that is Arthur Lemaire Landrix, who always take a walking from his home to railway track. So he do walking from morning and also evening also. So while he is on walking, he had seen the bungalows of green and red roof. In front of their house there will be a lawn and a garden. One day, this A.L. Landrix, who is on the walk, he had seen one incident. That is, there are two boys who are playing each other. They are playing a game. The game means it's not a big game, it's a short game. So let's see that two boys. One is Jamaican boy who is a long, block in color, curled hair. So there will be his appearance is like this. Yes, he is a very dark youngster, matte course of hair, coal black eyes. He was definitely a Jamaican. He is little senior than the than other boy who is there. Maybe he is a 5-year-old. So another one is a white boy. Is a hazel eyes. Shall I write those points? Yes. First one is very dark. That coarse shade and coal black eyes. So another one is a white. Hazel eyes, light brown hair. So, as I told, these are the two-dimensional differentiation we have observed. So, here is a 5-year-old, here is a 4-year-old. So, these two were playing each other. So what is the game that they played? That is here the thing. So he is a bigger boy. He is a smaller. So bigger means that they were not at all babies. They are just above the babies. They are child. So 5 year and 4 year. Here, this white boy who commanding over this black boy. Do you understand? You just look at the picture like this here. So like this. He is small like this. So here this small boy commanding over the big boy who is in dark in color. So how they were played? This black boy, this white boy ordered to black boy pick up the stick. So dark boy ordered and obey his order, and they picked it up and jump into the flowers. He do it and go and bring the water. He go inside and bring the water. Whatever that white boy ordered, this black boy is following. So he has submitting himself and everything. So this was a very confused way or puzzled way that this A.L. Hendricks had seen this incident. So this Jamaican he belongs to Jamaica. How one country a man can be ordering over one nation? How it can possible? In Canada, ತನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ದೇಶದವ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದವ ತನ್ನ ದೇಶದವನ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ದೇಶದವನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಮಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಪಜಲ್ಡ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ A.L. Hendricks think that might be they were he is a son of servant, but they wear blue shirt and khaki pant. So it is common. They were unlike shirts. They were light shirts. So there will be no difference in their shirts. Mean that he might be a neighbor. So how can a neighbor can follow the other rules? So that day he had thought these things in his mind. So we have completed up to here. Let's continue the remaining part. For a whole day, I went on asking a question to myself. Here, for a whole day, A.L. Hendricks had went on asking a questions on himself. So ತನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ತಾನು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. How it is? For a whole day, my faith in my people was shaken when I passed by the afternoon. The little boys were not there. So whatever they were playing, wherever they are playing in the morning, when he is on the walk, on the way, he had seen this incident. But afternoon, they were not playing in where they were seeing. That evening, I thought deeply on the subject. So here, A.L. Hendricks is very much go depth into the incident. That is how the small white boy as commanding over a dark and a senior of his age, how he can rescue. He is completely submitting himself in a small boy. So it's very confusing or surprising or puzzling incident that was happened in front of A.L. Hendricks. The next morning, the boys were there again. The morning they were played, that was seen by the A.L. Hendricks. On the whole day, the A.L. Hendricks is thinking that incident in his mind. So how it can happen? So how that small boy is taking and commanding over that black boy? So the mind is filled with that thought only. So next day, as usual, A.L. Hendricks on his way on the walk towards the railway or the train track, the boys were again, and the man was standing at the gate. Again he is watching them. I stopped and looked just to see what the white boy was making his little servant do. So it is in curious situation. A.L. Hendricks wanted to know what the white boy is doing now. how the white boy is commanding on that black boy. So how we can give an instruction? So on the way of walk towards, as I told in my previous class, his home is half a mile away from the railway track. So A. Landrix, his practice is, as he told, walking, it makes a good health. So he is taking a walk even morning and evening also. So he had seen that incident, he had been curious what the white boy is doing now. So as the second day, A. Landrix is on his way, he reached that boy's house, that he stopped there and looked, just see what the white boy was making his little servant do. Who is the servant? This black boy is a servant, this white boy is a boss. To his surprise, now the dark boy was commanding. It's what we can say, it's an opposite. In the previous day or in the yesterday, white boy is commanding. Now this black boy is commanding over white boy. That little white youngster did everything as the direction or as the command what the dark boy is giving. The little dark boy was stirring imperiously up and down on the lawn, while the white youngster walked adjustly behind them. So how the thing, what happened in the previous day, it is quite opposite. Now this black boy is a boss and the white boy is a servant. So what the black boy ordered, this white boy is now following the rules by the black boy. So this way it's make more confused by seeing this incident that A. Landrix was shocked to see. So what was the commanding, what was the, what I am saying, that information, or how that black boy is commanding. So just he is sitting down in the lawn. This white boy is sitting in the lawn and sit turned up on the lawn, while the youngster who walked adjacently behind him. So here you feel that I am a black boss. So behind me he is moving. So wherever that boss, the black man boy who is moving, so behind him, this white boy, he follows the dark boy. So what the order passed by black boy, get me a banana. The little boy ran into the house and reappeared shortly with a banana. So here this black boy ordered the white boy to bring a banana. So where is banana? Banana might be in the inside of the home. So this white boy go into the home and he reappeared into the with the banana and he give it to black boy. So here is an opposite word, that is appear. So when you say appear, disappear. So he reappeared means he come again. Understand? So opposite appear, disappear. So reappear means he appeared again. Understand? Just only is there. So he went inside and bring a banana to the black boy. So then he appeared again. Peel it to me. Peel it to means he just remove the outer layer of the banana. Peel it to me. So again this white little boy peeled it and handed over to whom? Handed over to the dark boy. So just this white boy peeled it and he handed over to that banana to whom? The black boy. Then the little boy peeled it banana handed over to his dark master. Now he is the master. Okay, he is the master and he is the servant. Like this. I saw it now. Indeed, it was a game. Yesterday also, E.L. Hendricks had seen it is a game. Understand? So, yes, of course, it is a game. A game I had played as a child. Each boy took it in turn every alternate day to be a boss. Oh, now that E.L. Hendricks is cleared about in an alternate days, means one day one boy is a master, another boy is a servant. Next day, who was master in the previous day, that man will be a servant on present day. Do you understand? In Kannada, ಇಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಯಾರು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಯಜಮಾನ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೋ, ಬಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೋ, ಅವನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದವನು ಬಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದ, ಬಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದವನು ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದ. So this way, alternate that he is going on, alternate day to be the boss and other is a slave or called servant is going on. It had been great fun to me, a youngster. It makes fun. Here he smiled and I remembered he looked at the man who is standing by the gate. So here one more thing is happened. That was one of the young man who is an youngster who is standing near the gate. Whose gate? Where the boys are playing, no? In their home gate, in front of the home, there a man who is called an youngster who is standing there. And that man was a white man. Who is that? That man was a white man. I remembered what I had thought yesterday. No doubt that thought to myself was wondering if the black race is superior to white. So I repeat this. So there is one international issue, that is color and caste and a class. So in the previous day's incident, E.L. Hendricks, who had emerged that how it can possible of in a small boy, how he shows his superiority, that whiteness makes his superiority on the black people, how the black people can accept his inferiority. So this way, here there is a wandering thing is going on. And I laughed gently to myself how silly we grown-ups in our misinterpret. So opposite of interpret, misinterpret. I-N-T-E-R-P-R-T, interpret. So opposite, misinterpret. So how we misinterpret on the child's action. Just those children, they are playing, those boys are playing, but their actions show that it is an inferiority is going down on the superiority like this. This man, I said to myself, will be worrying all the day. Perhaps I think this black will in the end rule over the white. So he come to final conclude that is this black will be rule the white. So just they are playing, but their misinterruption was going on the child actions is like this. Now I will try to clarify and drive away all the doubts from his mind. So he is making confusion, so he wanted to clear, he wanted to clarify what's the thing is going on between them. Who actually is the boss? Who is the boss? Who is the servant? So in the previous day, white is the boss, but today is black is the boss. So there is a confusion taken place. There is a man who is standing near the gate, besides the gate. So what happened? Let's see in the next paragraph. Perhaps you are thinking that one day or other the black will rule over the whites. It's repeat that thing. Perhaps you are thinking that one day the blacks will rule over the whites. Now I am going to write this thing. Black will rule over white on any day. So how it can possible? Black will rule. So that black will rule over whites. I know you do so, for you just saw how the black commanded the white. But a gentleman don't have any such wrong notions, for that's only a game. Just yesterday I saw the little white boy commanding the black boy. Only grown-ups are silly, aren't we? Said I. So this way the author is explaining. So here, perhaps that how the black will rule over the whites. No, for just saw how black commanded over the white. But gentlemen don't have any such a wrong notions. So he had a doubt. This doubt is here. He want to clarify by that gentleman who is standing near the gate. Don't have any such a wrong notions, for that is only a game. We are grown people. Just yesterday, this Hendrix saw little white boy is commanding over the black boy. Now, today, this black boy is commanding over the white boy. It is just a game. Only the grown-ups, we are silly. Silly means foolish. We have looking that incident in a wrong notion that is it, aren't we? Yes, he said. I said hi. So he is asking all these questions to himself. Then the man was surprised at my outburst. He looked at me in a smiling. So the man that was standing outside of the gate or near the gate, dear children, the man who is standing in front of that boy's house, who was surprised at this Hendrix outburst. Outburst means ಅವರಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಆತಂಕಗಳು, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ. So he wanted to clarify. Outburst means a sudden powerful expression of feeling. So ಏನು ಆ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು, so that has to be spread out. He looked at me in a smiling. So that man who is standing in front of that gate is just smiling, and he is nothing to say. Just he asked, I know all about the game, the man said. I know all the game, what those boys are playing. I know all those things. The boys are brothers. Oh, now the doubt is clear. The boys were brothers. These two were brothers. These boys are brothers. And continued, they were my sons. So the man who is standing in front of the gate, or beside the gate, that man is a father of these two boys. He said they were brothers and they were my sons. He pointed out a fair brown woman who is on the veranda out, who had just come out to call the children. That's my wife, he said. Dear children, now it's all the doubts have been cleared. So just you look at this picture. Here he is a man. He is a man who is standing beside the gate. So here he is a who wore a coat and a tie. He is a E.L. Hendricks. Understand? So these two are playing. You look at this man, this boy, who is a what I am saying that a dark, the coarse hair, and a coal black eyes, whatever I have written. So these features is to be found in this one. And here is a white boy, hazel eyes, brown hair, understand, and white in color. So here E.L. Hendricks, who had asked his doubts regarding this game were taking place between one day, one is master, another day, alternate days there is another master like this. So here this man who clarified, who cleared the doubts of E.L. Hendricks, that is, look at, there is a woman, she looks a fair brown woman, she looks fair brown, a brown woman, that who had just come out to the veranda. She came out to the veranda. She came, why do she came out? She want to call her children. It means that a fair brown woman was the wife of that man who is standing in front of the gate. So mean that here a man is a Jamaican citizen. Here the white, fair brown woman who is a white woman, they got married. They have two children. That's where they have two children that was born. One is a white, another one is a black like this. So E.L. Hendricks, he smiled and his spirit laughed at me. This is a Jamaica, I said to my heart. This is my country. These are my people. I looked at that white man. He smiled at me. We all miss the train if we don't hurry, he said. And he continued. So, I think you might have cleared about the last paragraph. That paragraph is clearly clarifies the thing that they've smiled in Kannada, avaribbru naktare. Jamaica, there is a line he has written, that is, you have to be, is said here. Jamaica is my country, and he said, Jamaica is my country, and he continued, that is, they were my people. Jamaica is my country, and they were my people. So, I looked at the white man and he smiled. We will miss the train if you don't hurry. So, ಇಬ್ಬರು ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ನಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ನಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಜಮೈಕಾ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ, ಇದು ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಜನ. ಎಸ್, ಹೃದಯದೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಹರಿ, ಇಫ್ ವಿ ನಾಟ್ ಹರಿ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್, we will miss the train. So this way the poet, the author who closed and stopped the incident. So it means that Here we understood that we are not able to clarify, we are not able to come to decide in a single incident that a person who is in a servant place, a person who is in the master place, it's not the thing. So it means that one Jamaican, the piece of Tunuku, what we can call the fragment, is happened in the life of Yale and Rix. So this way, Yale and Rix have clearly explained how Jamaican were there, so that incident can't be explained. So during that time, there will be the issues were taken place in the world, that is in a color race, caste race, class race. So we should not give an importance to the this dimensional issues. We should give the people who are living in Jamaica, those Jamaicans were our people. So this is our mission. This way, the author Yale and Rix have been explained clearly in this way, in this prose. So, dear children, you just answer the comprehension 1, comprehension 2 and comprehension 3 and give it to me. I am going to stop here for today and I meet you in my next class. Thank you and all.